Hello. This is my review on the sequel to the Fast and the Furious franchise. First sequel called Fast and the Furious. Fast and the Furious 2, titled Too Fast, Too Furious. Yeah, I'm not fucking with you. It's that title. I'm not making that shit up. That's the actual title of the movie. What a retarded title. That's the worst title in the franchise, I admit. I give this a 8 out of 10. It's as good as all the solid sequels in the first one in the franchise. It's as good as the first one, and it is just as retarded. Writing. Twice as stupid. Too fast. Too furious. And Paul Walker works off of this black guy character with the bald head. He's supposed to be funny, I guess, but to me, Paul Walker and this guy come across as the biggest in the closet homosexuals, obviously, in the closet, these characters. Not saying that there's not saying they're gay in real life, I'm saying the characters come across that. They come across as ex-lovers that can't get along and need couples counseling. That's the charm of Too Fast, Too Furious. It's the biggest faggot joke of all time, but when you think about it, it's kind of hilarious. How these characters come across as have the biggest loathing romance with each other. It's comedy gold. Like Pumping Iron movie, a classic. Like, you know the Pumping Iron movie that was Schwarzenegger and Luke Ferrigno was a part of? It was a fake documentary that, you know, that really was scripted. It's a fake documentary, so, and it's hilarious shit. This movie is even funnier than Pumping Iron. More funny than Pumping Iron, and a lot more cruel, a lot more funny, gay jokes you can pull from this movie. Because due to the chemistry between Paul Walker and the guy he works off of, that is the main protagonist to replace Vin Diesel character. Because Vin Diesel is nowhere to be found or mentioned in this movie. But Paul Walker is no longer a cop, but he's now a full-time street member, I guess, who does street crime racing. But then, in the fourth installment after Tokyo Drift, he's back with being a man of the law, wearing a badge, okay? When did he went back on the field? Why did he go back on the field? Don't know. It never explained in the fourth installment. Personally, I always thought the fourth installment was the weakest one in the franchise because it operates as a detective noir story with Vin Diesel trying to figure out who killed the love of his life. You know, before they decide to bring her back and resurrect her and retcon her death in the sixth installment after the fourth installment puts her to rest, literally, as a corpse. I shit you not, I'm not making this up. That's the continuity. That's where the sixth one takes us. Then she has amnesia. It's just... Were these movies ever the top class of writing? Of quality storytelling? No, but they were fun to watch and goofy, cheesy fun. Enough to give it an 8 out of 10. I approve this movie. Too Fast, Too Furious, twice the stupid, twice the speed, twice the entertainment, twice the closet homosexual jokes than the first one had. Between Paul Walker and Vin Diesel. I'm not saying they come across. This is just stupid writing on stupid writing. I approve this movie, Too Fast, Too Furious, just like I approved Fast 10, also known as Fast X, the 10th installment. I give this an 8 out of 10, just like I gave Fast X a 8 out of 10. It's as good as Fast X. A great movie, it is. A great guilty pleasure. Go see this movie streaming now. My audience, stream this movie wherever you can find it and watch it. You won't regret it. Turn your brain off. Don't question what's making sense. Just enjoy the dumb action and CGI action explosion with the chase scenes mixed with mostly CGI stuff. Car chases instead of real car chases like the first one. It's funny shit though. Like the Jaws sequels. Too Fast, Too Furious. Twice the danger, twice the adrenaline, twice the diarrhea explosion rating. Twice the excitement. Fuck yeah, this movie's cool. I approve this movie. I give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great guilty pleasure in my book. Too Fast, Too Furious. See this when you get the chance streaming on, or if you can still find it physical on Blu-ray, or if you collect DVD or VHS, still collects VHS, get it that way. If however you want to get it, you know. If you still want to get physical, I'm one of the few that gets physicals. All three. Collects all three, so I'm a collector, so that's a little odd on it. I collect all the movies I think about in my life that I came across. I have a good chunk of movies for my life in my room. I'm outside now, on the back porch, outside my house. It's nighttime. My lips are dry. I should end this video now. Can you go get a drink of water? I'm just licking my lip because I'm finishing this review, okay? That's my review on this movie. I give it 8 out of 10. Okay, Too Fast, Too Furious. Go subscribe to my content and hit the thumbs up on my video. This video. Goodbye, my audience. Good night.